Today we try to play a little solo with the first scale we learn, the pentatonic A minor scale. So as the word pentatonics means 5 notes, we go in the 5th position and we play 1 4 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4, and then going back 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4 1 4. Let's hear how it sounds. Learn the scale by memory. The position 1 4 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4. Going down, A minor pentatonic. This is the first box. Each pentatonic has 5 boxes. This is the first one. Easy to remember. Let's make a little example only using these notes. Mix up the notes in the same box.